Kia ora, kawe he, Mangapēhi pā, not Mangapayhi. Mangapēhi, not Mangapayhi. Ka te kia ora mai tātou te iwi. I've just finished making this. Yeah, makes you wonder exactly what the hell it is. Well, basically you got a little bit of tēnei. Yeah, sort of self-explanatory really. So, nā reira, I just made this in the last 2 minutes. Found this on a beach in Ōpōtiki sometime this year. And I just chopped off the butt and then voila, threw on a bit of hose and kua pai. Now let's see if it works. Not too bad. So basically this was just a test. Just wanted to make sure the shell worked. Ki te kore tēnei mea whakatangi mai, he mau tāma ki te mahi, he hanga mai he pūtatara me ki. Nā reira koina te taki i āhua whakatau tauira mai kia pēnei nā te āhua. Aha ko te maki ko te mea nui e te iwi. It plays. Yes! So over the next couple of, well, however long it takes, I'll take this off and get 2 pieces of wood, slap them together and try and make it look like a mean pimped out little pūtatara. I saw one in Ōpōtiki down in Kawerau and I thought it was absolutely cool. So yeah, copying the idea off that and hopefully we'll have a mean pūtatara at the end of it. Kupu Māori o te rā, kau, cow. Basically use it like this. Koia nei ngā kau e tikotiko haere ana I te pāmu. These are the cows shedding in the paddock. Kia ora guys, before I leave Te Kūiti, that's right, Te Kūiti, not Te Kūiti, before I leave there I thought I'd just give you a quick video and how you actually say the town's name properly. It's Te Kūiti. Not Tikawiri, not Tikawiri, nothing else but Te Kūiti. Its real name is Te Kūititanga o ngā whakaaro, but hopefully you'll be able to just say Te Kūiti. Kind of the issue going from Te Kūiti to Wellington is that you don't have the opportunity to go straight from Te Kūiti to Wellington. You have to do a hoary turn and go all the way up to Hamilton, which is about 70 k's clicks north. Then you catch another bus and then you go down to Wellington. Usually I'm able to catch a bus from Te Kūiti, go down to Bulls, swap at Bulls and then get to Wellington. But today is going to be a long day. Ko reira mātaki mai mo te take, e maha noa tu ngā kaupapa e kōrero mā tātou.
Midday service leaving Hamilton, that's bound through to Cambridge, Tīrau, Rotorua, Kawerau, Whakatāne, Ōpōtiki, with a coach destination of Gisborne. Passengers through any of those destinations, the coach change here now, and as I say, that coach due to depart Hamilton at 12 midday. Also passengers transferring through to Matamata and on across to Tauranga.
I can't get a single Māori place name right, or honky-niced.
It's a 12 midday service, Hamilton through Matamata on across to Tauranga.
It's actually Matamata and Tauranga, but you know.
Now for those passengers leaving Hamilton here, we like to remind you, if you have luggage, if you have personal belongings from inside the coach, please make sure you get them all inside.
Well, at least the bus driver can speak English. That's a hopeful thing. Well folks, we've made it to Hamilton. I better give a disclaimer out to the bus driver that came of that bus. Lovely guy, just terrible te reo Māori pronunciation of every name of Māori place name in Aotearoa. But you know, awesome guy, lovely customer service, so nothing technical about that. I just got to moan about Māori place names. You don't get it right, shut up. Anyway, we're on to this bus and we're going down to Wellington. Te whanganui a tara, mai I konei I a kirikiri roa. Kawerau tēnei, char char. Tēnā koutou, Kawe here with your Māori word of the day. Māori word of the day is PAHI, bus. Not bussy, but PAHI, P-A-H-I. You can use it like this. He pahi tēnei e ahu atu ana ki Pōneke. This is a bus on its way to Wellington. This e te iwi ko wena rata tai me tana tamahine a puki puki. Kia ora. And what we want to do is take those beautiful ladies out a shot to let you know that you can subscribe to the Kawerau's channel and talk about all sorts of different things. I roto I te ao Māori. We'll be having more vlogs. These fellows are so putting me off. Oh, shame.
Yeah, that's what we're saying.
Oh, shame. And then we've got this fellow over here, Mr. Thomas Curtis, and these guys in the background talking about all things. I roto I te ao Māori, mo ngā take tōranga pū. I think they're talking about sports. But what you guys need to know is that we'll be having vlogs uploaded every 3 days about kaupapa Māori, real Māori things. So if you want to know more, subscribe at Kawerau's, follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Kia ora mai tātou. There's a lot of bright light coming out of that.